Good call.
Good call, yo.
It's a good call, Pork.
Flashfire.
Good call.
Yeah, pillow. Good call.
You married him instead of me? Good call.
Have a seat, Ruth. Here. Good call.
I'm gonna get a hot fudge sundae.
Good call, baby doll.
The currents can be unpredictable. We must be alert and vigilant.
Vigilance. Good call.
I'm sorry, but he should see your face when you first see the ring.
Good call.
She's sending you a bunny with cookies. I think we can assume it's the bad Vlad.
Yeah, that's a good call.
To the left!
Oh, hold on, wait. My left or your left?
My left is your left. We are facing the same direction.
Right. Good call.
Okay, before we start, who's your favorite female movie star?
Honestly?
Yeah.
Bo Derek.
Oh, there. Okay, good call.
Everyone's on their way here to the meeting.
Great.
Oh, so no costume this year?
Apparently not.
Good call.
Your Honor, I object!
And why is that, Mr. Reed?
Because it's devastating to my case!
Overruled.
Good call!
This is perfect.
That's exactly what we needed.
Oh, yeah. Good call, Griswold.
Don't you get it? This is our ticket. If it works for Denisevich, boom, he's a vampire, and you all get to stay here.
All right. Capiche.
Good call.
All right, we're jumping down here.
No, I'm not going to trash you. Good call. Let me know how it goes with the super crazy Pokemon. You died a hero. Woo!